Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change phone number on Telegram. So first of all, let me zoom in. So open the Telegram website or app if possible and log into your account, right? And let me show the steps. So and then navigate to the settings option, typically on the top left or bottom right corner. Anyway, so in the settings menu, this menu here, uh, look for the show phone number option. So you'll see this here, and then just simply click on it. And in the next section, you'll see that, and then click change number and click on it. And on the website, it will look something like this. So just click change number, and that's all there is to it. On mobile, it will look like something like this. Just click on it and like that. This is the video. Just add the phone number and enter the code they will send, and that's it. You have successfully changed your Telegram phone number. It is very simple. Just go to Telegram settings, phone number, and change number. Type in your new number, get the code, activate it, and then that's all there is to it.